Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Happy day. So I'm up, I'm dressed. I'm gonna show you guys outfit of the day. This is OOT day. I'm a little, a little fupa here because it's that time of the month. But hey, it is 33 degrees today, okay? 33 degrees, y'all. So we're gonna work with that. So this is the reason for our outfit of the day. I did put on a shirt right here underneath my crop, just to, a little extra added protection. Yes, ma'am. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to make some coffee and we'll be back. So hold the line, y'all, okay? Hair is the same as yesterday. Well, not yesterday, but the last time I seen you guys. So let me show y'all before we make this coffee how I'm loving that I have my 2 Stanley cups, my 1 coffee thing. Look how minimal. I got all my coffee cups that I need. And then moving over here, y'all, I got my beautiful cup here and these 2. Yes, minimal and simple. I'm gonna go ahead, turn you guys around. I'm gonna make this coffee real quick and then we got to head out, okay? Yeah, I don't know. I told y'all it was 33 degrees. Oh, these people waiting on me. I forgot to put on my blanket. Sonia, stop. I made a mistake. So it's 33 degrees, y'all, but all the snow we had, it is raining right now. Like really, literally raining. So I just hope it's not really, really slippery out here. Depending on where you live in Ohio, it's doing that. Somebody keeps calling me from these weird numbers. But anyway, it is super slippery outside today, and I don't even want to be out here. But your girl has to go to work, okay? Yo, my cup, she's so pretty. You know, I had to work myself up to hold that cup. That was, I was amazing. That was amazing to myself. Like, I shocked myself being able to hold that coffee. But I didn't have one of these of my own. So this is my own personal one. And I absolutely love it. Y'all, look at this. So just say, you want to hang it on your purse or something. You can do so. But this is absolutely beautiful, y'all. And it tastes so good this morning. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and... Y'all remember me telling y'all about this? Can y'all see that? That's what it looks like. So... we're going to open it up and we're going to put it up here. It's hard to do that while I'm driving. Y'all mothers, we learn how to do everything, right? We multitask. We do a lot. If you can't do this, don't be doing it. Don't even try it. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna be headed to work. Damn, how do you get this open? Oh gosh, I was trying everything, but not to having to put the phone in my mouth. But oh my god, this smells so. Woo! Oh, this smells so good. Y'all don't even have air fresheners in my car. This smells so good. But anyway, I'm headed to work. I have a request from my mom. I'm gonna do today is actually Tuesday, you guys. So, oh, this is pretty. This smells so good, y'all. This smells so good. I'm trying to think, should I do it like that? I know people who do it like halfway, so it won't use out quickly. But how would I do mine like that? I don't know, but it smells. Oh, y'all, it smells so good. I had it the wrong way. It smells so stinking good. It smells so good. But yeah, my mom requested some things from I'm gonna go to a store today that I haven't been when I get off work today. Hopefully I'll make it. So yeah, I'll pick you guys up a little later, okay? So this is what I did, y'all. I just did the other side like that and I hung it right here. So hopefully that'll be all right. Only thing I don't like is that it's like interfering. I don't like all that right there. But yeah, I got it. All right, y'all, the reason for my visit, I think I told y'all my mom was looking. She wants like 3 things. She wants, oh, it's wet out here. She wants some shoes, a sauteing pan like I had with that wood looking handle, and it was something else I figured out. And then I wasn't really looking for anything. The only thing I might be looking for is something to put my that coffee syrup stuff that's in that red bottle, and put it in there that looks like the other ones. So y'all almost didn't remember how to get here. It's been so long since door broke. Use yellow doors. Okay. It's been so long since I've been here. I went the wrong way, you know? So yeah, that's that. Oh my God, it's slippery. You guys, I'm gonna turn y'all around so y'all can see whatever I can, whatever I get. They got everything switched up here, but let's go and see what's up. Oh my God, y'all, I see appliances back here. Do y'all see appliances back there? I might get lucky and find me a washing machine. You guys know I'm still looking on the hunt for a washing machine. So if I see anything great, I will show y'all. But it looks totally different in here. Y'all remember this place? Totally different. And they have like a setup here. Oh my God, there I am. Hey guys, all right. So far as shoes now, they have signs. So it used to be $3, $2, you know, and stuff like that. But I guess they have like, you gotta sort your own price if you want something. And then over here, they have all of those. So we'll see if we can find something, y'all. Y'all got delivery? Huh? Y'all have delivery or no? No. Oh, and you're still here. Remember you sold me those cream 2 chairs that turn? Yeah. I haven't been here in so long. It's totally different. Yeah, okay. You still stay here, huh? That's all right. They treat you good? Huh? They treating you good? Good. I've been here long enough and I know. Okay, that's good. All right, I'm gonna go check out y'all appliances. All right. Wow, LG. Oh my God, y'all might be lucky for a washing machine. This is a washer. Here's a washer. Oh my gosh, y'all. But I hope this is not ran by, you know, like that Wi-Fi stuff. I don't really want Wi-Fi. I'm gonna see how much they want for that. You guys, he said he would do this one for me for $350. I never had an LG before, but it's soft closes and whatever. Y'all, oh my God, let me know if y'all think it has like a small little scratch right there. That is it. So, I don't know. He said he'll help me load it in my truck and everything, y'all. And it is electric, so I'm gonna find out, okay? Let me do some research and Today might be my lucky day. So y'all, here is all their furniture that they have today. Very, very nice pieces. Do y'all see my table back here? This is my table that I have. But these are what they have. I'm not looking for nothing over here. I just wanted to show y'all what they got. And yeah, all the furniture, guys. If you're wondering like what Ben's places be having, this is most of the stuff. They have odds and ends, but everything still look nice. Y'all see it, y'all see it, y'all see it. Guys, oh my God. The Most High be really be looking out for me. He really does. And I got help. Yeah. All right, y'all, I gotta go. We're gonna jump in this Walmart. I'm gonna go in here and grab this spray paint, and then I'm gonna get home, okay? Y'all, Walmart got some nice glasses. Look at these. Similar to what I was talking about. I thought these were it, but they plastic. It's like a part of plastic. We don't want that. But I just wanted to show y'all the beautiful glasses if y'all into that. Look. Not bad prices. $246 this one, and then this one is $298. So let's go ahead and go find this spray paint. People be looking at you strange like, what is going on? Let's get it. Let's go. Now, right here, it's right here, y'all. So y'all can just stay on the line with me so we can go find this spray paint. I had to tie my shoe 1,000 times. So let's see if they have my color. And they do have my color, y'all. Look at that. It's not turned around, so you can, here it is right here, but we won't be getting the satin. We're gonna get something else. All right, y'all. We secured the package. Let's go home finally. All right, y'all. Hi, I'm good.
You can turn the switch on